Have you ever looked at your crypto holdings and thought, is there more I could be doing with this? Beyond the thrill of trading and the long-term hope of appreciation, what if your digital assets could actually work for you, generating passive income just by sitting in your wallet? If that thought has crossed your mind, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful, yet often misunderstood, concept in the world of cryptocurrency, staking, specifically on one of the industry's most reputable exchanges, Kraken. For newcomers, the world of crypto can feel like a whirlwind of complex terms, volatile markets, and constant innovation. You hear about Bitcoin, Ethereum, NFTs, DeFi, and 100 other acronyms, and it can be overwhelming. Staking is one of those terms that pops up frequently, often alongside promises of passive income or rewards. But what does it really mean? Is it like earning interest in a traditional bank account? Is it complicated? Is it safe? And why would you choose Kraken for it? Let's start by contextualizing staking within the broader cryptocurrency landscape. Imagine, for a moment, the traditional financial system. When you deposit money into a savings account, the bank uses that money to lend out to others, and in return, they pay you a small percentage as interest. While this isn't a perfect analogy, it captures a core idea: your assets are put to work, and you receive a return for it. In the world of crypto, specifically with blockchains that use a proof-of-stake (POS) consensus mechanism, a similar principle applies. Instead of relying on energy-intensive mining like Bitcoin, POS networks secure their transactions and validate new blocks by requiring participants to stake their cryptocurrency. Think of it as putting up a security deposit. By holding and locking up a certain amount of a cryptocurrency, you're essentially helping to secure the network, validate transactions, and maintain its integrity. In exchange for this valuable service, the network rewards you with newly minted coins or transaction fees. This is the essence of staking. Now, while you could run your own validator node and stake your crypto directly on the blockchain, it often requires significant technical know-how, substantial amounts of capital, and a commitment to maintaining a 24/7 online connection. This is where centralized exchanges like Kraken come in. They simplify the entire process, acting as a bridge between you and the complex world of on-chain staking. Kraken essentially pools together the staked assets of its users, runs the validator nodes on their behalf, and then distributes the earned rewards, minus a small commission, back to the users. So, what exactly is staking on Kraken? In its simplest form, it's Kraken offering a service that allows you to easily participate in proof-of-stake consensus mechanisms and earn rewards on your eligible cryptocurrency holdings without the technical complexities of running your own validator node. It's a way to put your crypto to work and potentially grow your portfolio passively. Let's break down the key aspects of staking on Kraken, starting with the why. Why would you choose to stake your crypto on Kraken? Firstly, ease of use is a major factor. Kraken has streamlined the staking process, making it accessible even for beginners. You don't need to understand the intricacies of blockchain validators or command line interfaces. With a few clicks, you can choose the asset you want to stake, specify the amount, and start earning rewards. It's a set-it-and-forget-it approach that appeals to many who want to participate in the crypto economy without becoming blockchain experts. Secondly, security is paramount in the crypto space, and Kraken has a long-standing reputation for it. They employ robust security measures, including cold storage for the majority of client funds, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and regular security audits. When you stake on Kraken, you're entrusting your assets to an exchange that prioritizes the safety of your funds. While not your keys, not your coin is a valid mantra for those who prefer complete self-custody, for many, the convenience and security offered by a reputable exchange like Kraken outweigh the perceived risks, especially when dealing with smaller amounts. Thirdly, diversification of opportunities. Kraken supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies for staking. This isn't just about Ethereum. You'll find opportunities to stake assets like Cardano, ADA, Polkadot, DOT, Solana, SOL, Cosmos, Atom, Tezos, XTZ, and many more. This variety allows you to potentially earn passive income across different blockchain networks, diversifying your crypto portfolio beyond just price appreciation. The specific cryptocurrencies available and their associated reward rates can vary, so it's always a good idea to check Kraken's official staking page for the most up-to-date information. Fourthly, flexibility and bonded options. Kraken typically offers two main types of staking for many assets, flexible and bonded. Flexible staking. This option allows you to stake your assets and unstake them at any time, typically without any lockup period. This provides maximum liquidity, meaning you can access your funds relatively quickly if you need to trade, withdraw, or use them for other purposes. The trade-off is often slightly lower reward rates compared to bonded staking. For those who want to keep their options open and retain quick access to their capital, flexible staking is an excellent choice. Bonded staking. With bonded staking, you agree to lock up your assets for a predetermined period. This period, known as the unbonding period, can vary significantly depending on the asset, ranging from a few days to several weeks. In exchange for this commitment and reduced liquidity, bonded staking often yields higher reward rates. This option is generally more suitable for long-term holders who are confident in their chosen cryptocurrency and don't anticipate needing immediate access to their staked funds. It's crucial to understand the unbonding period before committing to bonded staking, as your funds will not be accessible during that time. Fifthly, regular payouts. Kraken generally pays out staking rewards on a weekly basis. This consistent stream of income can be a powerful motivator for long-term holding and can also be reinvested to compound your earnings over time. The rewards are typically paid in the same cryptocurrency that you staked. So, if you stake ETH, you receive ETH rewards. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.